I'm Milton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of a carpenter Mary, I get to tell parables. And Dad taught me how to throw a lightning bolt a long time ago. There is this mountain in China that has a very charred appearance. Yeah, Dad and son are throwing bolts at these Chinese Oriental snakes. Anyway, last week, Dad couldn't make it. He had another one of those week-long kind of things. So I was up there on that mountain alone, a-throwing. And I heard a little prayer from a little girl that touched my heart. I put that lightning bolt down and listened as she said, please look out for a Freckles, her little dog, and Mittens, her kitten, and Mommy and Daddy and all that, and war, and hunger, and please, if you can, do something about the Chinese. I fought back a tear as I picked up that lightning bolt, knocked Tommy's right arm off, and Lefty, the left arm, wisely jumped off, leaving Tommy with no arms but a promotion. Then I put the rest of those bolts back in my pocket and gold, and I rolled back to the immaculate apartment here, where I'm calmly and patiently awaiting for you to tear down the Great Wall of Evil so we can begin.